everybody, Danny here. By golly, I tell you what, let's get some green paint out and start working on some foliage, okay? I'll meet you over at the easel. And by golly, here we go. Okay, let's just make our first little stab today. We'll just put in this area, which is some water. Okay, there's a little pond or maybe a little stream there. I'm not sure which. I haven't dreamed that out yet. But it's right there. Now, we'll just come up here with some green like that. And we'll give that a nice backgroundy thing. Okay, we'll just run that down here. We're going to do more work here. We're just getting some base in. Okay, now we're going to come up and over these, and we need a light green. Okay, just a light green on the sunlit side, and we're doing that on all of these right here. Okay, just a nice green for the sunlight side. And then we'll come back in, of course, and it'll get darkened, but we gotta have that light green, or it just isn't going to work. This is the part of the tree and the shrubbery. This is the part that's catching the full sunlight, okay? And so therefore, we have got to ensure that its brightness is there. Okay, we'll just put a few hits in here. This is just, these little hits in here are just so that there's room for some sun to be hitting some outstanding leaves, okay? We'll leave her at that today. Be with me tomorrow, by golly, and we'll do some more work around here. Then we'll be able to start detailing in, okay? So, in the meantime, like, subscribe, leave comments, let us know how we're doing. Tell your friends about us, share the video, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you. And there we go. Golly, we're off to a good start. Be with me tomorrow, and we'll take it to the next step. And in the meantime, remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you.